Hi, this is Poppy. Caffeine and BS for April 29, 2019. I told a couple of people, not promised, I told, that I was going to show this off today in today's Caffeine and BS. That is what I was working towards. This is what I would have entered in the 2019 toolmaking competition. But I was obligated to make this so that I could put a standard tool on center. And that put me 2 weeks behind. This is my entry in the 2019 toolmaking contest. Snowball's chance in hell. This could have won. Look at it. Shearline compound slide. 84 degrees. Shars. Tenths indicator. Only 50 thousandths travel. But I've gotten to within a thousandth or two of nominal. Now I can sneak up on that little birdie called nominal. Bang! 2 100,000ths change in diameter. Bang! Another 2 100,000ths change in diameter. 2 100,000ths? Isn't that 20 millionths? Now, if I just had a micrometer that would measure, 2 millionths. Anyway, Caffeine BS, April 29th, 2019. That's what I was going to enter if I didn't get delayed.